Introduce highlight features or overview summary of STONVUE 1080p magnetic wireless backup camera. There are key features include strong magnetic base and easy installation. The powerful magnets allow for effortless attachment of the wireless backup camera to metal surfaces without the need for drilling. Its compact size, 4.05 x 2.75 x 3.46 inch, ensures portability and allows for one-handed installation. Quickly switch between vehicles in just 2 steps, power on the camera and connect to the STONVUE Cam app's Wi-Fi hotspot. Enjoy a hassle-free experience. 3 charging modes and stable Wi-Fi. This wireless horse trailer camera supports solar, USB, and car charger options. The STONVUE solar panel, sold separately, ensures efficient solar charging, while USB and car charger provide versatility. It offers a stable hotspot signal up to 197 feet or 60 meter, ideal for vehicles up to 30 feet long, with range varying by vehicle and environment. Enjoy flexible charging and reliable connectivity. 90 days long standby time. The 3000 mAh rechargeable battery supports USB charging and provides up to 7 hours of continuous use. The power-saving mode extends standby time to 90 days, automatically entering sleep mode after 2 minutes of inactivity and easily reactivated manually. This minimizes interruptions and reduces the need for frequent recharging. Full HD image quality and IR night vision. Featuring a 1080p HD color CMOS sensor with 1920 x 1080 pixels, 720p output, and an IR cut module, this camera provides clear, lifelike images. 4 infrared LEDs offer a night vision range of up to 17 feet or 5 meter, ensuring excellent visibility in low light conditions for safer reversing. IP69 waterproof and multiple functions. Rated IP69 for superior waterproofing, this camera performs reliably in extreme weather conditions. It supports video recording, photo and video downloads, and more. Features include horizontal and vertical flipping and full-screen viewing to cater to various needs. The STONVUE Cam app is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.